Giggles and grapes.
Nini has a big question today. How can we use cookies to learn math? Don't worry, Nini. Cookie Moan is here to help.
Cookies for math? Really? How does that work?
With cookies, we'll explore addition, subtraction, and even division, all while having lots of fun. Let's get ready for the cookie math challenge. Time to add some cookies. Here's the first problem. One packet of cookies has 2 cookies. If you have 2 packets, how many cookies are there in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4 cookies. Next problem. Cookie Moan gets 3 cookies from one friend and 2 cookies from another. How many does he have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5 cookies. Now let's try one more. If Cookie Moan have 4 cookies, and I give him 6 more, how many does he have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cookies. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now it's time to take away some cookies. Cookie Moan has 5 cookies. But he eats 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. If Cookie Moan starts with 8 cookies, but shares 3 with his friends, how many does he have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Last subtraction problem. If there are 10 cookies and 4 are eaten, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cookies. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Subtraction complete. Now it's time for division. If Cookie Moan has 6 cookies and wants to share them equally with one friend, how many cookies will each get? 1, 2, 3. 3 for Cookie Moan. 1, 2, 3. 3 for his friend. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, Cookie Moan has 12 cookies to share them equally with 3 friends. How many cookies will each friend get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cookies for each friend. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Here's the last problem. Cookie Moan has 15 cookies and shares them equally with 5 friends. How many cookies does each friend get? 1, 2, 3. 3 for each friend. 15 divided by 5 is 3. This video is sponsored by the chocolate chip cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.